Welcome back to Kelv Global ICT channel. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to shut down your Windows 7 device. So let's say you are still using Windows 7 in 2022 and you want to actually program your Windows 7 to shut down in less than 30 minutes time or 1 hour time. So first of all, what you need to do is the following. So let me just show you that I'm using a Windows 7 device, or let me change this to Dutch. And let me just enter Windows version. You can see I'm using Windows 7 Professional. To actually how to shut down your device, what you need to do, you need to enter the following command. Let me just clear the screen. Shut down. And then we need to I want to actually restart. I can use S to shut down this device or arrow to restart the device. And then with the /T, which means that is for the timer. And then you can decide to enter like 60 seconds, or you can actually just calculate how many seconds makes 30 minutes. So what you can do, for example, let me just enter a random number. Let me just enter 5,000 and hit enter. So you can see it says Windows will shut down in 83 minutes. Shutdown will start on Saturday, 17th September 2022. So right now, but at the same time, if you've programmed your device to shut down, we can actually cancel the shutdown by entering the following shutdown / and then A. By entering A, it's going to say log off is cancelled. To get all the command you can use to shut down this device, we can only do this following and just enter the question mark. And you can see it's going to give me all the following command I can use to shut down this device. You can see that the A, the S, shut down the computer, the A, abort the system, shut down. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. Bye.